a guide you to bold text on your Instagram post. For that, go to your Instagram, click on your profile, and if you need to bold text on your post that you have already posted on Instagram, go to the related post and tap on three lines, click on edit. If you click on edit, you can edit your text or you can edit your captions over there. And now for this reel, I need to bold my babe and dog lover. So if I need those, you can tap on that and scroll like this. From there, you can copy that. Now that is copied to my clipboard. And if you need to bold text, now there is no special option for bolding text or italic styles on the Instagram. For that, go to your Google or any of the web browsers that you are comfortable with, and you can go for the search like bold text generator, and you can see here, and you can see you can go for any of the websites here, and that is absolutely free. I'm tapping on this, I'm going here, and if I long press here, I can paste it. And now if I tap on bold, now that is bolded. If I tap whatever the style you want, and see, I want this, and if I tap on copy, then this will be copied, and that is copied. I can go to Instagram, and now I can all backspace it and I can paste this there. This is how you can this is how you can edit your bold text on Instagram posts. Thank you.